That's right. That's right. Scritchies? Yeah, another scritchies. It's tough to be a bird. Max, can I get another buck, buck, buck? Buck, buck, buck. Tico thinks you're being noisy. Yeah. Oh, his laugh is totally awesome. Bird breath. Max, can we get a buck, buck, buck? Buck, 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 buck. Yeah. Yeah. Run. Is that awesome, Max? Uh-oh, there goes Max. Anyhow. That's Max in the background. Max? What do you want? You're not going to step... No, we're not going to step up there. No, not with Tico there. Come on, Teeks. Yeah, we're going to trade. We're going to trade. First breath, okay. There we go. All right. Poor Tico. Poor Tico. Yeah, Tico does not like the camera too much, so I tend to use a stick when I've got the camera out, because otherwise he gets mad at me. Yeah, I've got all three in the shot right now. And Max is just sitting on my arm. Yeah, you big boy. Oh, you want to cuddle? Okay. Let's come in here if you want to cuddle. Oh.